Hello everyone, we are here with... I am nervous. I don't want to do this. I am... The thumbnail though, it looks crazy. We're gonna get straight into this, but I just want to say quickly, over on my Patreon, I will be reacting to Stray Kids' stage that they did yesterday for Christmas. If you want to see that, then the link will be below. It's only $1 for my Patreon to join. And 3 things. Jisung is blue, Felix has gone back to black hair, and Hyunjin is now a little baby kiwi. I'm not gonna lie, that was such a shock to see Hyunjin. 1 minute had him with his gorgeous long hair and boom, he's got a buzz cut. Now yesterday it was Christmas, so I hope you guys had a good Christmas. Let me know in the comments how it was. I've reacted to Stray Kids a bunch. There's playlists, you can click them in the cards. And if you like this video, like, sub, turn notifications. Let's go. Oh, holy shit! Oh my god! And this motherfucker says that he can't wait to see Stays react to this. Chan, I'm not ready. Oh. What just happened? Tracking every single line and every move. Hardest racing day and night for you. Don't hold back, enjoy the ride and let it loose. What the sirens keep on screaming, that's a warning. We're staring at the ticket, that's a what the heck? No turning back, hold tight onto them railings. It's only us, but something saying what the heck? Oh, his eyes are black. The evil deed committed always returns to the person who committed it. Oh. It's only us, but something saying please. Yeah, this train never sleeps. Brace yourself, take a seat. Don't you care about the casualties? Casualties, cause it's simply it's just you and me. You and me, baby. I feel our heartbeats. Oh my gosh. What the fuck? Oh my gosh! Need no break, no brakes. This train, the engines go insane. I'm late, it rains. As long as we head on round. Oh my gosh! No doubt, baby, trust me now. Sirens keep on screaming, that's a warning. Yeah, this train never sleeps. Brace yourself, take a seat. Oh! Don't you care about the casualties? Casualties, cause it's safe when it's just you and me. You and me, baby. I feel our heartbeats shaking. Oh! Was he? So was that Dark Chan like a bad version of himself and the white one is the pure one and he was killing his bad self? I am not fine. Oh, there was so much in there. But wow, can we talk about how beautiful this music video was? Like the cinematography, this is the most incredible thing Chan has ever done. Like that had just taken it to the next level. That was insane. There is so much I want to talk about, but I don't even know where to start. We're going back. We're going to watch that again. There's stuff I want to point out, okay? But I just want to say, Bang Chan, that was incredible. As just been at stay for 2 years, like I've never seen him do anything like this. Wow, I'm flabbergasted. Like this, what the heck? I seriously want to know what this is about. He's getting pushed up against a wall. Did that person at least say please? I'm sorry. Tunnel vision got my eyes on you, tracking every single line and every move. Heart is racing day and night for you. Don't hold back, enjoy the ride and let it loose. Like this is insane. The symbolism of him escaping, like, and going to wreak havoc, but like, basically, that's my interpretation on it. He's going after temptation, it looks like that. Like, what on earth? No turning back, hold tight onto them railings. It's obvious, but something saying, now this could be another symbolism of something. Yeah, this train never sleeps. Brace yourself, take a seat. Holy fuck. Bruh. Bruh. Casualties, 'cause it's different, it's just you and me. You and me. Dude, you did not have to do that. That was sick as fuck how they all like flowed like that. What the heck? This train, the engines go insane. I'm late, it rains. As long as we head on route, fear is dead, no doubt. Baby, trust me now. That is stunning. That's stunning. Then what the heck, man? That is oh. I've got nothing safe for work to say to that. Especially that. Fingers. Okay, I need to stop. If you know, you know. Oh, you didn't see that. Oh my god. Oh. The handcuffs, and then he stands on them. Fuck! Make you believe that. Jesus Christ, Chan. Bruh. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna say anything about him shoving someone up against the rail like that. No. 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 Yeah, this train never sleeps. Brace yourself, take a seat. Can we also talk about Chan's acting, man? Casualties, 'cause it's safe when it's just you and me. You and me. Like, Chan can act. My friend is messaging me going mental right now. I really really hope that sometime in the future Chan does some acting. I mean, this is fucking phenomenal what he's just done here. Chan and the rest of the Stray Kids have so much potential to act, but again, it's just, of course, up to them and their company, I think. I would be so down for it. I don't know how to convey my feelings on this music video. Like, that was incredible and I absolutely loved it. Chan has really done a phenomenal job. I love the song on its own, but seeing this music video was just incredible. I hope he is so proud of himself. I know what he's gonna be like. He's gonna come on Bubble and he's gonna be like, so how was the music video? And you're still gonna say it's about trains, huh? But nah. Amazing. That was my reaction. We can have a chat in the comments. Tell me how you're feeling. And I'm not gonna stop watching this music video now. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.